Hey everybody, it's Mike, Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India. We're out here in my driveway again. We're going to try an ISS pass in a little while, and hopefully we'll get it good. And I got my Elk log periodic with the modification on the handle, which you can see right here. And I have my Retrivis radio set up to do an ISS pass. And this will be starting soon. It is now 6:47 and it's supposed to be at 7:10 is when the ISS is rising. So sit tight, it'll be getting dark, but I think you'll still be able to see me fine. And yeah, we could check out my new mowed lawn. This is my home in Palm Coast, Florida. And I just cut the grass yesterday. And you can see I even tried to do a diamond cut. I thought it was at Yankee Stadium. My neighbor Chris and Angie driving by. And yeah, and you can look over here. Here's the other side. This side I just did straight. That side I did the diamonds on. I know you were looking to find out about all that stuff. Oh, we got somebody walking a couple of dogs past my house. I don't know those dogs. Oh no. I'm starting to feel drops. I hate when it rains when I'm trying to do an ISS pass. So we got a few minutes here before it starts, and what I will tell you is when I put this on YouTube, I'll stream it as a premiere, and you can ask me questions when it goes live. I will share that with you. So we'll be right back, and let's hope we get this passed before the rain comes. I'm not happy. See the water on my glasses? That's not a good sign. Let's hope it stops. It's got 15 minutes to stop before the ISS rises, so let's pray that the rain stops and I can get out there and do this pass. This is the one sad thing about not having my 9700. This is the only way I could do ISS and other satellite passes. The reason being, the 9700 had to go back because the CI5 port stopped working. I talked to a guy today. He said there's a transistor that usually blows that causes via lightning that happens. So even though the strike was not close to my house at all, it did damage the radio. So I sent it back to Icom, and I talked to them 2 weeks ago, and they said there's 4 weeks before I get it back. There's 30 radios before mine got to get repaired. So I'm relegated to doing Arrow 2 or Elk log periodic on satellite passes. And I'm restricted to only FM satellites because I don't have a single sideband 2 meter, 70 centimeter radio other than my 9700. So we're hams, right? We make it work. Somehow we get it to work. So hopefully the rain will stop. I'm still seeing a few little drops in the puddles out in the driveway. So as soon as that stops, I will quickly set up again. And we got a few minutes. We got about 10 minutes before the ISS passes. And if this is the only rain I get, I don't mind getting a little wet. The radio, the phone can handle a little bit of water, so I'm not paranoid. If it just stays like this, I'll still do it, even though it'll be raining on me and you'll see little spots on my shirt. I don't care. It's going to be fun. So come along for the ride, and we'll do this together. It's ham fun, right? We're having fun standing in the rain with a log periodic and a walkie-talkie trying to talk to the ISS. Yeah, I'll probably leave the camera in the garage, though, and film looking out towards where I'm standing. Anyway, hey, sit tight. It's coming. We're going to have some fun. KO4PDI, the ham fun guy. Good news is the ISS is rising towards the south. I am still under the cover of my garage, so I'm not getting wet right here. Let's turn the volume down on that. We're not ready for it yet. So as soon as the ISS rises, I'll start here, and as the time goes on, I will move on out here, depending on the rain. I put the hat on to keep the water off my glasses. Without the hat, my glasses get all wet. Doesn't seem to be raining right now, so hopefully by the time the ISS gets here, we'll be able to get through pretty good. So looking forward to it. Guys, hang tight. We're going to have some fun. So people have asked me, hey, why can't you just hook up that Retrivis radio to your rotor and your 2 Yagis up on a tower? Well, I tried it. I could hear everybody really great. The problem was they weren't hearing me. And then you got to think about it. It's a little 5-watt radio, and I'm putting it out over 100 feet of coax. So you're going to have some loss there. So probably by the time it reached the end of the antenna, it's sending out maybe a watt. And I did make one contact that way with Jay, WA1JAY, and that was okay, but he barely heard me. He said, I thought that was you in the background. But when I'm doing it off the log periodic or the Arrow 2, I'm still using 5 watts, but look at how short the coax is. I mean, you're not really getting any loss from the coax. So that's why I'm not doing it on the tower. However, I do have the tower set up to follow this pass. The one thing nice about that is I can look at which direction the antennas are pointing and know where to point the log periodic. Now, when you're not at home and you don't have that convenience, if I'm out at the beach or something like that, it's another story. You gotta know where north and south is and know where to point. You gotta get an idea of what 0 is, 45 degrees, 90 degrees. You gotta know where to point the antenna and what direction is north. So you have a good idea where to put it. The radio shows you on the radio the path of the satellite. So that's what I depend on here. Plus I have the tower in the backyard that I could see it from the front yard. The rain has stopped, so I'll probably move a little further away. I'll bring the camera out a little bit also, so we get a better shot at what I'm doing. And I got the gimbal set up to follow me, as you can see. Woo, woo. I love that little gadget. Anyway, this is Mike, KO4PDI. We're looking towards the skies for the ISS. Be back any second. All right, we're less than a minute away from the ISS pass, acquisition of signal. It's going to be in that direction. I'm watching the antennas on the roof. So we will turn this antenna to point in the same direction as they are. We're going to back away from the house a little bit so we get a better shot. It's going to be that way. It's going to go. We are 10 seconds away. Turn the volume on. Let's move this camera a little bit so you get a better look at me. Maybe my buddy Captain Don will get on this one and we'll talk to him. He's the one that taught me how to program this radio, because you can't use it as it is out of the box. You have to basically wipe out the firmware and install a completely different firmware. There, starting to hear voices now. Here we go. Let's move the camera here. Whiskey 0, Charlie Yankee Charlie, please copy. Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India, Echo Lima 99 portable. I don't know if you heard me.
Kilo 5 Delta Oscar. Kilo 5 Papa Kilo 5 Delta Oscar.
X-Ray Echo 1, Yankee Delta Kilo, please copy. Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India portable. Whiskey 0, Charlie Yankee Charlie, please copy. Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India.
November 5, Yankee India Zulu from Echo Lima 59 grid line. N5 KC5 RSU Echo Mike 60.
KC5 RSU KO4 PDI Echo Lima 99 portable. November 5, Yankee Charlie Romeo, please copy. Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India.
Charlie Romeo, Whiskey 0, Charlie Yankee Charlie, Echo Mike 48.
Whiskey 0, Charlie Yankee Charlie, please copy. Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India.
November 5, Yankee Charlie Romeo, Whiskey 0, Charlie Yankee Charlie.
November 0, Charlie Yankee Charlie, please copy. Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India.
Hey, Fox Mike 05. W1JAY, KC5 RFU, Echo Mike 60. Yeah, was it N5 RFU?
Kilo Charlie 5, Romeo Fox Uniform, Echo Mike 60. QSL 73, Fox Mike 05 here.
Whiskey Alpha 1, Juliet Alpha Yankee, KO4 PDI, Echo Lima 99.
KO4 PDI, Whiskey 0, Charlie, Yankee Charlie.
All right, Whiskey 0, Charlie Yankee Charlie. Glad you came back. Thanks a lot. QSL. We got one. Whiskey Alpha 1, Juliet Alpha Yankee, KO4 PDI Portable, Echo Lima 99.
W0CYC 5 RFU, Echo Mike 60.
TC5 RFU, W0 CYC. Thanks for another one, sir.
It helps having the tower to tell me where to point.
WA1JY, Fox Mike 05.
Whiskey Mobile.
Whiskey Alpha 1, Juliet Alpha Yankee, please copy. Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India. Hey Jay, it's Mike, KO4 PDI, copy?
KO4 PDA, WA1JY.
There's two.
Mike.
Roger, Roger, portable in my driveway again.
Mobile station. Mobile station. Charlie, Yankee Charlie. 84 QA, Fox Mike 17, portable.
Whiskey for QLA, KO4 PDI, also portable, Echo Lima 99.
WB2 Tango Queen Echo, EL96.
WB2 TQE, KO4 PDI, Echo Lima 99.
KJ Fox PTX. Kilo Mike 4, Sugar Fox Mike, Echo Mike 74.
Is that Kilo Fox 4?
Fox Mike 07.
KF4UJU FM 17.
Kilo 2, Papa Lima Lima, please copy. Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India.
UWA1JY, Fox Mike 05.
That's the ISS identifying itself. We're losing it.
84 QA, Fox Mike 17.
84 QNA, WA1JY, Fox Mike 05.
UFL 73.
73.
Just in time, the rain has begun again. But we got it in. We made a few QSOs. How about that, huh? In the driveway, working with the Elk Antenna. Gonna edit this up and get it onto the website. And thank you all for watching. Catch you later. KO4 PDI.